Alright, now a faster way to get results on Twitter. This is for those of you who do not have that many followers yet, or you just do not want to spend the time and effort working to get followers in your account. What you could do is you could just pay Twitter to promote your tweets. So you would do a regular tweet and then you could pay Twitter to promote that tweet. And what will happen is uh, people will see your tweet even though they are not following you. Okay, and this is actually very affordable. It's not that expensive, and you could target the right demographic by focusing on keywords, interests, geography, and devices that match your audience. Okay, so let's just take a look at a promoted tweet here, and they look just like regular tweets. So let's just scroll down this account. Okay, so this is a promoted tweet. Um, the way to know if it's a promoted tweet is if it says promoted below the tweet. Okay, so this is just a tweet, and they've included an image here. You can see that people have been retweeting this, and people have favorited this tweet. So maybe we could just go down a little further. Let's just look for one more example. Okay, so it says promoted. So here is another tweet. Twitter also has an analytics platform so you could monitor the success of your advertising campaigns. And what I recommend you do actually is to split your budget 50-50 between users on mobile devices and desktop, so you could figure out which is more effective for you, what's working for you, and so you know where to invest your funds in the long run for your advertising campaigns.